Hey guys, and welcome to your last full week of e-learning. I hope you're doing well. Miss seeing you guys. Task for today is, I hope, pretty straightforward, and I wanted to do something that was a little bit different. So your task, two things. First is take a 5-question quiz over the plant parts, flower parts that we talked about last class. Access code I'll give you here in a second. But the second is an assignment that I hope will get you at least outside around your house a little bit. And if you can't get out of the house, there's some alternatives in place. But we're talking about plants, flowers, and fruits, and all fruits start as a flower at one point. So, what I'm asking you to do is to go around your house or outside and keep a safe distance, but to take pictures of 8 different fruits or flowers or vegetables, preferably flowers, but if you can't, do fruits and vegetables too. And then find some information on each of those. So, what is it? What's its lifespan? What are some potential pests for that flower? What are some benefits, etc.? So, eight different flowers or fruits, and then the information listed on each of those things. So, hope it gives you a chance to get out and do something a little different. Again, please be careful and cautious as you're doing it, but use the opportunity to be creative and have a little fun and get out. Miss seeing you guys. Access code for that real quick 5-question quiz is flower, FLOWER. So when you get done with this video, make sure to knock out that quiz right away and get in all that work before the end of the week. So it's hard to believe that summer break is already almost here, but please get caught up on all the stuff if you haven't had a chance to do so already. And as always, if you need help, please reach out. Use that homework hotline. I'm happy to help in whatever way I can to make sure that you get what you need. So, hope you're staying safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. And I will talk to you later. Bye.